Hello friends, I'm back with a Sindhi recipe for you today. I'm going to make Sai Bhaji. Sai Bhaji is a Sindhi style spinach. It's loaded with nutrition. It has got a lot of proteins and vitamins because this bhaji has lentils, vegetables and greens all cooked together. We then blend them together and flavor with garlic. Lot of garlic is used, and you can also add some sour leaves like sorrel leaves, chuko, but I don't like adding it. And you can even add some methi leaves to it. And vegetables, basically we add carrot, potato and eggplant, brinjal, but you can even add some other vegetables of your choice, all cooked together and blended. It really is very delicious. It goes well with pulaus and Sindhi khichdi. You can also serve it with rotis. So friends, let's proceed to make, but before that, all those who are new, please do subscribe to my channel and also press the bell icon to receive notifications. So let's go and make Sai Bhaji. Here are the ingredients. I have taken 2 small bunches of spinach, palak, wash and chop it coarsely. About 1 cup of dill leaves. Dill is called suwa in Sindhi. It looks like this. Quarter cup of chana dal, soaked for about 1 hour. 1 large onion, sliced. 2 tomatoes, cut into pieces. 1 potato, peeled and cut into pieces. 1 brinjal or eggplant, cut into small pieces. Carrot, peeled and cut into small pieces. And 2 green chillies. You can add more if you like. And then we have salt to taste, quarter teaspoon turmeric powder, half teaspoon cumin powder. Normally we don't add cumin powder, but I like to add it. It enhances the taste. And oil as needed for cooking and tempering. I've taken 8 to 10 cloves of garlic, cut into small pieces. You can even crush it coarsely if you like. Now we'll take a pressure cooker. Add about 2 to 3 tablespoons of oil. When the oil is hot enough, add the sliced onion. We are going to saute it until translucent. After sauteing for about half a minute or so, we are going to add the vegetables one by one. Potatoes, carrots, and brinjals, eggplant. These are the 3 basic vegetables that we usually add in the Sai Bhaji. Some people also add other vegetables, but my preference is this. And usually when we cook Sai Bhaji, we also add some sour leaves, sour greens like chuko, sorrel leaves. If you find it in the market, you can add it, but I don't add because no one at home likes sour Sai Bhaji. Now we are adding the tomatoes and the green chillies. Give it a stir. Just place the lid on top for tomatoes to get cooked. After about half a minute, open it. Saute it a bit. Add salt to taste and the turmeric powder. Little cumin powder, which is optional. Stir it well. Cover the lid again, just for a little while. After about half a minute, open the lid, and now we are going to add the greens. Dip in the washed and chopped spinach. And the dill leaves. Just place the lid and leave it for a little while so that the greens settle down and get cooked a bit. Now you can stir it. And now finally we are going to add the soaked chana dal. This is added towards the end because we are going to leave it on top without mixing it. This way it's easier to check whether it is cooked or not when we open the cooker later. Add 1 cup of water. And close the pressure cooker. Cook until 6 or 7 whistles. Let it cool down, and once the pressure is released, you can open it. Now chana dal is on top. You can easily check it whether it's done. Yes, it's cooked very well and soft. Now with the help of a masher, we are going to mash the sai bhaji. This is a modern one. Earlier we used to have a wooden masher called mandiyaro. It was used for mashing everything in the kitchen, all the gravies and sauces. I think it is almost done now. Check for the salt. At this stage you can add if required, but the salt is just perfect. Now take a small pan for tempering. Place it on the gas. Pour about 2 to 3 tablespoons of oil. Add the garlic pieces. If you prefer, you can add crushed garlic instead. Reduce the flame so that it gets fried evenly to a nice light brown color. Switch off the gas towards the end. Add a little bit of red chilli powder. This enhances the color. Now pour this tempering over the sai bhaji. Give it a good stir so that the flavors of the garlic get into the palak very well. You can see the detailed recipe also in my website. I am sharing the link below in the description box. Now it is ready to be served. Dish it out and serve it. You can even garnish with little bit of tempering on top. I've served it with methi pulao. You can also see this link in the description box. Check out the recipe.